Why Tesla can make batteries so fast. Tesla, the world's first independent worldwide electric car manufacturer, was co-founded by Elon Musk. Musk also founded the first commercial spaceflight company, which launches rockets into orbit to replenish the International Space Station. He's also working on an underground high-speed transportation system. Batteries are strong devices that release and store electrical current, allowing them to power a variety of consumer gadgets, automobiles, and other equipment. Tesla's entry into the electric battery market was aided by the start of solar battery production in 2015. It gained a little more clout in the development of its own automobile batteries as a result of this. Tesla will produce automobile batteries with Panasonic starting in 2020. Panasonic also backs all of Tesla's Gigafactory's battery manufacturing activities. Panasonic will have a substantial amount of space at the Gigafactory as a result of the partnership, which will make moving Panasonic's contributions easier for the whole manufacturing process. Tesla Battery. The Tesla battery is the Powerwall. In 2015, the first-generation Powerwall was released. In October 2016, a new Powerwall 2.0 was launched, having double the storage capacity of the original. Two Powerwall batteries with supporting hardware will be available in 2020. According to a platform that investigates and compares solar installation prices and businesses, installation can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000. Installing a solar plus storage system can be a beneficial investment, even if it is initially more expensive than alternative options. It's possible to use the Powerwall as a backup generator. Tesla owners may use Powerwall to charge their electric vehicles as well as their homes. A grid battery is the power pack. This battery is designed to give electricity to far more than just one house. One of the most significant benefits is the capacity to take an entire interconnected ecosystem completely off the grid. The power pack is also well known for its outstanding backup capacities. Fastest battery. Tesla relies on Panasonic for all of its battery production, particularly its automobile batteries. Other electric vehicle makers are making strides as well. Tesla isn't the only company that makes in-home and grid batteries. Electric vehicle batteries and solar-powered battery recharge are both developing technologies. When it comes to price, a Tesla automobile is still considered a luxury sports car, although these costs are decreasing. The purpose of stored energy for residential and grid energy is to lower prices. When stored energy is used, home and grid costs are lowered dramatically, but manufacturing and installation costs remain high, necessitating a long period of time to see a return on investment. Tesla is a leader in the electric car race because it has the best battery technology and is willing to take more risks. For more than a decade, Tesla is designing battery-powered cars, leveraging software to improve the range of batteries. Many great features have been dropped in favor of aerodynamics, including multi-gear transmissions that send shifting power ratios to the rear wheels. However, specialists in the automotive business claim that the company has taken more chances than traditional automakers, making its batteries denser and using different materials than competitors. As a possible repercussion, some point to a handful of spontaneous battery fires under investigation by federal regulators. And, like with any new car, it's too early to tell what kind of long-term durability the vehicles will provide. Tesla sedans have only been on the road for less than 8 years. Battery range. As new electric vehicle models from at least 4 major car companies have hit the US market over the last year or so, Tesla has maintained its grip on the electric vehicle market, accounting for nearly 60% of new sales in the first 9 months of 2019, according to data, as the company prepares to face its first real challenge. With the unveiling of its stylish Roadster, Tesla was the business that first took the electric automobile to the mainstream. Teslas aren't just purchased because of their range of batteries. Autopilot is a system that allows the automobile to drive on the road. The automobiles are also less, visually, appealing than many other companies that are competitors, who have opted for aerodynamics over historical looks. However, by lessening the risk of its vehicles running out of gas during the drive, it made a substantial contribution to reducing range anxiety. Batteries are buried beneath the major body of the vehicle. Tesla is best from other batteries. Tesla uses different aluminum battery chemistry than other big automakers. Because of larger capacity battery chemistry, the battery researchers said the decision has resulted in maximum range. However, there were drawbacks such as a higher fire risk and lower cycle life or lifespan across hundreds of charges. Other automakers have chosen manganese over aluminum, which has a lesser storage capacity, implying a shorter range but potentially longer life cycles. According to the researchers, larger energy densities and higher capacity materials produce more heat, necessitating more advanced cooling and temperature management technologies to sustain the battery. Tesla's battery material choice is also a bet. Longer range means less charging, which helps to mitigate concerns about cycle life. Because consumers will not need to charge their cars as frequently if they have 300 miles of range, Tesla may employ a battery with a shorter cycle life, as well as proactive techniques like active cooling, to extend the battery's life. However, when batteries age, they grow less powerful, affecting the driving experience. You won't be able to achieve the 2.5 seconds fast acceleration when the battery degrades, because it can't produce as much power in that period as it used to. Range diminishes, charging time increases, and available power lowers, all of which might affect the driving experience. Tesla has clearly had a long time to develop core expertise around the battery and electric motor, resulting in it consistently achieving towards the top of the range rankings. Tesla's batteries are designed to transfer energy more efficiently. A huge amount of electricity may flow in and out of the battery, allowing it to supply tremendous power to the motors that need it. Teslas have a low center of gravity due to the battery pack being evenly distributed under the car from the front axle to the rear axle. The low center of gravity helps Tesla lessen the pressure on the rear wheel and the motor, and helps the two motors work in harmony, because the front of the car tends to raise and the rear tends to be forced down to the road in high acceleration situations. Also, as the altitude of the road rises, Tesla's performance improves while IC performance decreases. Tesla has a million-mile range. The first of these was disclosed just last week when a Chinese battery manufacturer that supplies most of the major automobile manufacturers, including Tesla, declared it had created the world's first million-mile battery. Its new battery has a 16-year lifespan and can power a vehicle for more than 1 million kilometers. Most automotive batteries come with warranties ranging from 60 to 150,000 miles over 3 to 8 years. This is a significant increase in battery life, but it will only cost 10% more than previous versions. Having a battery that never has to be replaced is obviously beneficial to the electric vehicle business. Longer-lasting batteries, on the other hand, are required for stationary storage. Tesla batteries can be connected to wind turbines or solar panels to provide sustainable electricity when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Soon, you might want a stationary battery in your home to store cheap off-peak electricity or to gather the power generated by your own solar panels. How long Tesla battery work? Tesla automobile batteries are meant to last 300k to 500k miles, and there is speculation that Tesla is working on a million-mile battery. However, existing batteries are not yet capable of lasting 1 million miles, and the car may require a battery change at some point during its lifetime. Because so few EV batteries have been replaced, the best information available is Elon Musk's claim that a replacement battery for a Model 3 car costs $5,000 to $7,000. However, a Tesla battery may still be usable after 500,000 miles, but with a reduced driving range per charge. Recharging electric car batteries puts a burden on their life and ability to hold a charge, especially if the battery runs out of power and has to be fully recharged every day. On the plus side, unless you drive 300 miles or more every day, this is improbable. You can also expect consistent performance from your battery over time. According to research, an average Tesla battery degrades by 10% after 160,000 miles. That indicates that after all of those miles traveled, the battery's performance and energy density are just 10% lower than when it was at its pinnacle.